Welcome back to the channel. Today you join me to take a good look at the interior work that's been carried out on this 246 Ferrari Dino GTS. As I'm sure you'll have seen in the clips leading up to this moment, this is no regular Dino. In fact, it's one of Moto Technique's Dino Evos. That means it's got a V8 engine that's been removed from a later Ferrari that's then had the output increased to 3.8 litres, alongside individual throttle bodies and a modern ECU to keep it all under control, giving this car around 400 horsepower. It's had massive revisions done to the chassis to handle that extra power and give it really good handling characteristics and really bring this car up to date to give a fantastic driving experience with great performance. We'll jump inside now and we'll have a look at the interior work that our team have been carrying out on this car. Hope you enjoy the video. Now, although this car has had extensive mechanical modifications, when it came to specifying the interior, the owner was keen to keep the original essence of the Dino cabin because it's so beautiful. There actually isn't a huge amount to improve on. So what that's meant is we've gone with the Daytona style seats to go along with the flares that have been added to this car to give that factory flares and chairs look. The leather used is the period correct Connolly VM. This is the colour VM3104. Our parts business, O'Rourke Supplies, has supplied this car with a number of components, including these Targa sleeves, the Daytona seat strips, heel mats, door pockets, and a number of other bits through the cabin. The dashboard has been beautifully trimmed in the correct mouse hair material. And then this car came to us with its original Becker radio from the factory. The owner asked if we could do anything to kind of make that a bit more modern and give him a bit more functionality. So we worked with one of our partners who converts this to modern internals with decent amplification and Bluetooth functionality, along with an upgrade to the speakers in the factory locations and hidden by the beautiful trim. So you've now got great sounds as well as keeping that vintage look of the Becker head unit. We're just going to show some shots now of the team working on the various components of the car, and then we'll catch up at the end just to run through any final bits and pieces. I hope you've enjoyed those last few moments watching our team of artisans craft this beautiful interior. This car is now ready to head back to Motor Technique to have the final engineering works completed. The car's actually got a set of custom wheels that have been manufactured for this car ready to go on. So the ones that are on there now will not be staying before you all jump in the comments with your opinions on those. Really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you want to know more about this car, head over to Motor Technique's channels and website. There's plenty of information about these projects over there. If you've got any comments or questions about the trim, drop them below and we'll happily get back to you. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.